What's up, guys? I hope you all fine. Welcome to all my subscribers and to all of you. So, if it is the first time to watch this video, let me just introduce myself. My name is David Trump. I'm a taxi driver from Burundi, Bujumbura. And in today's video, guys, I will be showing you Bujumbura in a difference. So, I used to film while I'm in my car, but in today's video I'll be filming by walking. Do you understand that? So there is a big difference, and you are going to watch some beautiful place of Burundi, Bujumbura. So I'm not going to show you all Bujumbura because it's big, but I will try my best to show you different places, different beautiful places of Bujumbura, and I guess, guys, you're going to enjoy. So, guys, what I can just suggest you guys is just to keep watching the video until the end. Make sure you subscribe on my YouTube channel, and also go to the comment option. Just write something of encouragement, or if you are in touch with something, you can just write something over there. So here I am at the parking. I'm already in the Bujumbura center, so I will be moving out of my car and I go to show you the really Bujumbura by walking, guys. Okay, guys, let it go. So yes, guys, here I'm already in town, as you can see. So this road is called Boulevard de Liprona. And here we have a bar which is called Malibu. There is a business house, and there we have a flyover there. There is a flyover. So that flyover, it allows people to cross, because on this road here, cars used to pass with high speed. So let's keep on watching this video. This is uh, the roundabout we have in Burundi. I guess maybe it's the first one. There you can see there is 3 flags. Let me try to zoom. Yeah. It's early morning, no traffic jam. It's now the people are entering in the town. As you can see, there is buses which are entering in the town. Yeah, morning here, there is no traffic jams, as you can see. Even the road is somehow empty, no cars. So what I need, something. I only need one thing from Bujumbura. It's a clean town. It's a clean town for really. As you can see on the roads, the road is very clean. Yeah. As you can see, the town is fantastic. This is the town. We are in downtown. As you can see, there is traffic jams, and here we have the Onatel house. Onatel in Burundi is a state-owned telecommunications provider in Burundi. So it provides us the full range of services, including fixed and mobile voice, broadband, and internet. And here we have Lumitel. So the house you see in blue is a Lumitel. Lumitel is a mobile communication company providing voice messaging, data, and the communication services in Burundi. And the house in yellow over there is a post office, where you can create your post official box. It is now evening. As you can see, people are returning home, and this one is the roundabout of Bankobu. Bankobu, it is a bank of Burundi, and here we have a cafe gourmet, so where you can find a good coffee, ice cream, and so on. Most of strangers, tourists, used to come here at this place, which is called Cafe Gourmet. It is a good place, a VIP place, where you can find different things. You enjoyed the video. Let me just take the end to this video. What I can just beg you guys is to keep supporting me. You can even supporting me by sharing the video, liking the video, even commenting on the video. It's the way to support me. It depends even money, and also you can even support me by giving me money, giving me gifts, so that I can achieve my dream. And also, guys, I'm a taxi driver. I'm a taxi driver here in Bujumbura. So if you want to come in Bujumbura and you don't have anyone to pick you at the airport, you can give me that deal. This is my WhatsApp number. You can contact me on my WhatsApp. Then we can I can come and pick you to the airport and show you the good lodge, depending on your money. So guys, thank you for always watching my video. Thank you, may God bless you. Ciao.